Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video on the Infinite Baffle channel. My name is Niall, and given that it's nearly 30 degrees here in the UK today, it wouldn't be very British of me if I wasn't to mention how hot it is right now. We thought it was only right to bring you a very hot product. It just makes sense. Today we're going to be taking a look at the FiiO TT11 fully automatic turntable, coming into market at just shy of £160 and yet so much potential and so much built into it. We kind of think, you know, how good can it be at that price point? So if you do enjoy this video, as always, leave a thumbs up on it, leave your thoughts on the TT11 in the comment section down below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for weekly hi-fi content. But yeah, this is one that we're very excited for because FiiO, super popular, a lot of bang for your buck, a lot of very good value products that they offer. So for £160, could this be the perfect entry-level turntable? Let's find out. So for £160, what exactly are you getting? So let's cover some of the basics first. It comes fitted with an Audio-Technica AT3600L cartridge. It's a moving magnet cartridge. The deck is only suitable for moving magnet cartridges. Not a surprise at its price point, but what is a surprise is that this cartridge is actually fully interchangeable. So if you did want to remove that, put another one on, upgrade that aspect of the deck, you are fully free to do so. Again, it's going to have to be a moving magnet cartridge, but the fact that you have a bit of modularity with the TT11 is something that you don't always see when it comes to entry-level turntables. Quite often it's something where you buy the deck, it comes as it comes, and that is it. So the ability to change the cartridge may not seem a big deal, but actually at this kind of price point, it's a really nice touch. With the fact that the cartridge is changeable, this also means that you have the ability to adjust the counterweight on the back of the tone arm. Again, this is kind of something that if you're used to the more higher end decks, the premium decks, it's very much normal, something you'd expect. But again, at this kind of level, the ability to tinker, change things around, all that kind of stuff is not something that you see all the time. The TT11 comes in either a black or a brown finish, and my very first initial impressions when I took it out of the box were, firstly, I think it looks really nice. I love the fact that it's got the LED strip that goes below the platter. I think that's something that some people will love, some people will hate, and I do very much think it kind of shows the intentions of who this turntable is aimed at having a feature like that. It's obviously not going to be a high-end audiophile deck, but for someone getting their very first turntable, something like that, I think it is quite a cool little feature. It does feel incredibly lightweight. That was very evident the moment we took it out of the box. Again, I do think we're a little bit spoiled here. You know, we're used to handling things like Lin LP12s, high-end Project decks, high-end Technics, Audio-Technica decks, and it does feel very lightweight in comparison to a lot of those. But the fact that it comes included with a dust cover as well, the platter feels like it's of a decent quality. You know, all of this, it's just, you can't get past the fact that for £160, it seems remarkable value. I do love the fact as well that when FiiO say that the TT11 is a fully automatic turntable, they mean it's a fully automatic turntable. For those who aren't aware, when it comes to turntables, sometimes an automatic can be semi-automatic, sometimes it's fully automatic, and there is kind of like a bit of a grey area as to what actually is automatic, because sometimes you can press the button, it'll go over and you have to lower it yourself. Sometimes when it comes to the end of a record, it'll lift off and you have to then pull it back around to its original housing itself. So the nice thing with the TT11 is that it is literally fully automatic. When you want to play a record, press the button, the needle goes across, lowers, the record starts playing. When the record finishes, it automatically lifts itself off and goes back to its cradle. There is literally no need for any human interference at any point other than to press that initial button. It is fully automatic. You also have the ability to play at 35 or 45 RPM. It has built-in Bluetooth, so if you wanted to connect to some active powered speakers or maybe even some headphones, you can do so. And it has its very own built-in phono stage. Again, only moving magnet, not moving coil. That's very much to be expected at an entry-level deck. But again, the mind boggles just to how they can pack so much into this, sell it for £160 and still make profit. It is absolutely crazy. I think without doubt though, this is a turntable with someone in mind that's buying either their very first turntable or someone that wants like a casual backup turntable that's just very easy to use. It's certainly not something that's aimed at the audiophile marketplace, but for someone, imagine, out there that's getting their very first deck, they're a bit unsure of how it all works. It is such a simple and clean device to use, and the fact there is so much built into it and so many connection opportunities, it's just, you know, you're covering all bases for someone building their very first vinyl system here. I was actually really pleasantly surprised as well at how quiet the motor is on this thing, because again, when you look at some of the other cheaper decks on the market, that is where corners are sometimes cut and you can hear that little bit of interference when you're listening to your records. But again, with the TT11, that didn't seem to be too much of an issue whatsoever. One drawback I should mention, actually, I touched upon the Bluetooth being built into this thing. Do note that it isn't high-res Bluetooth, it's not the highest grade of Bluetooth, so you won't be able to do high-res streaming to your active speakers, if that makes sense. It is going to be of a lower quality, but truthfully, I do think that when most people are using turntables, they do tend to be physically connecting their speakers, and the fact that you have the built-in phono stage with this means that if you do have a pair of active speakers, you can go straight out of the TT11, connect into your actives, and you're off, you're away. No more messing needed, and you've still got a really clean little system. I do think that the TT11 represents the kind of product that just does exactly what it says on the tin, because I'm going to keep on mentioning the price point. For £160, if you're someone out there that's looking to build your very first system, this is almost the perfect my first turntable, so to speak. Everything you could possibly want is built into it. All you need is a pair of active speakers and you're away. And it just couldn't be simpler in terms of setup, in terms of when you're playing the records. And then you do also, because of the modularity of the cartridge and all that kind of stuff, you do also still have the ability to upgrade upon it if you wanted to. And again, that isn't something that you normally see at an entry-level deck. So yes, it's not the kind of product that's going to be audiophile grade for the higher end users, that goes without saying, but for anybody out there looking for a simple, clean system, someone that's getting into vinyl for the very first time, this is the perfect product. And you can see already it's proving to be incredibly popular, and there is a reason for that. I mean, it is the perfect entry-level point for someone looking to get into vinyl. I think, to summarize straight off the bat, point number one, firstly, anything you could want an entry-level turntable to do, the TT11 does, whether it's play 33, 45 RPM, whether it's to connect via Bluetooth, whether it's to just connect via active speakers, the phono stage being built in, whether it's the fact that you've got the fully automatic tone arm, so all of that kind of stuff is taken care of for you, which, let's face it, when you're first getting into the world of vinyl, all of this can be very, very complex and very, very daunting for the people doing it for the first time. So all of that is brilliant. Secondly, the quality of the components is decent, and you've got the ability to upgrade the cartridge, which I think you can't undersell that. I think the ability to buy this turntable, try out vinyl for the first time, let's say you absolutely love it, you've got a bit of a platform to build upon by upgrading the cartridge, which is, again, absolutely wonderful. And it's not something you always see with an entry-level deck, this kind of modularity. So yes, you've got all the stuff being looked after for you, but you then also still have the ability to do just a little bit of tinkering, which is really, really nice. But then thirdly, I've mentioned it a lot through the video, but I'm going to say it again, the price point, £160. It is beautiful to be able to get something of this quality for this price. Give vinyl a whirl for the first time, try it out, and you can have almost everything you want taken care of. The only thing you're going to have to worry about is getting speaker cables and getting some active speakers, and you're away. And I truly believe that the TT11, especially when it comes around to Christmas time, is just going to be a no-brainer Christmas present for those people that are perhaps of a younger age, getting into this kind of world for the very first time. And again, all the needs are pretty much taken care of. So FiiO here, I mean, don't get me wrong, there is a certain irony that in the background to the shots that we've done of this TT11, you've got the Kef blades, you know, you've got one area of the hi-fi there where speakers at £20,000 next to another area here where you've got a turntable with everything built into it for £160. The irony of that is not lost on me, but I think there is something absolutely amazing about the fact that you can get a product like this with so much potential, so much opportunity, and a good level of performance at such a price point. And we say it on the channel all the time, I think anything that allows a good level of hi-fi to be more accessible to more people can never be a bad thing. And again, FiiO are doing this across the board on a lot of their products, and it's something that I think has to be admired. Really big fan of the stuff here. As always, there will be a link to the product down in the description down below. That'll take you to the audio affair listing, which is where we've been today, unboxing the turntable, having a little play around with it, getting our thoughts on it. So make sure to check that out for all the specifications and more information. But I think that's just going to close it out, guys. I really do think, you know, £160. Could you go out there and get a better quality turntable in its rawest form? Potentially, yes, but I think that would be a struggle. But for £160, are you going to get something that's got the amount of functionality built into this, the ability to upgrade upon it, the ability to play it fully automatic? I don't think so. And again, a tip of the cap for FiiO, because again, making hi-fi more accessible and at a very decent level as well. But that is going to round it up, guys. Again, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for tuning in. Your continued support on the channel is massively, massively appreciated. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll speak to you in the next video. See you there, guys.